In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add VWAP Periodic Close in TradingView Pro. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and that you have a chart open. It can be any market or time frame you like, because we're just focusing on how to add the indicator itself. Once your chart is up, look towards the top of the screen for the button labeled Indicators. This is where all of TradingView's built-in tools and scripts live. Go ahead and click on that Indicators button to open the indicator menu. When the menu appears, you'll see a search box at the top. This is the fastest way to find exactly what you're looking for without scrolling through long lists. Click directly into that search box so you can start typing. From here, type in VWAP Periodic Close. As you type, TradingView will automatically filter the results below. Be sure to type it carefully so the correct indicator shows up. Once VWAP Periodic Close appears in the search results, simply click on it. As soon as you do, the indicator will be added to your chart automatically. You should now see the VWAP line or lines plotted over your existing price action. If you don't see it right away, double check that you selected the correct symbol from the list and that your chart isn't zoomed out too far. At this point, you've successfully added VWAP Periodic Close to your TradingView Pro chart. From here, you can customize it by hovering over the indicator's name on the chart and clicking the settings icon. That's where you can adjust visual preferences like color, line thickness, or visibility on different timeframes, depending on what works best for your strategy and screen layout. If you're not already using TradingView Pro and you want access to more features, more indicators per chart, and a smoother overall experience, check out the affiliate link in the video description. Using that link supports the channel at no extra cost to you, and it's a convenient way to upgrade directly to the Pro plan. So to recap, open Indicators, use the search box to look for VWAP Periodic Close. Click it to add it to your chart and then fine-tune the settings if you need to. Once that's done, you're ready to start incorporating VWAP Periodic Close into your trading analysis using TradingView Pro.